Welcome to our channel, Wafa Tech and Tricks. How to integrate Shopify and ClickUp for maximum efficiency. As e-commerce businesses continue to grow, effective management of operations becomes more complex. Running an online store requires attention to detail in several areas, from inventory management to customer service, and the task of keeping everything organized can often be overwhelming. However, with the right tools in place, managing an e-commerce business can become more streamlined and efficient. Shopify and ClickUp are two powerful platforms that can significantly enhance business operations when integrated properly. Shopify, a leading e-commerce platform, helps you build and run your online store. ClickUp, on the other hand, is a robust project management tool that enables you to organize tasks, track goals, and foster team collaboration. Integrating these two platforms can automate workflows, reduce manual effort, and allow teams to focus on growth. This guide explores how you can integrate Shopify and ClickUp for maximum efficiency, detailing the benefits, best practices, and step-by-step instructions. Understanding the role of Shopify and ClickUp. Shopify is designed to help businesses create, manage, and scale online stores. It covers product management, payment processing, customer tracking, shipping, and more. It allows entrepreneurs to run an e-commerce business without the need for extensive technical knowledge. ClickUp is a project management and productivity tool that centralizes team collaboration and task management. It's used by businesses across various industries to streamline workflows, track projects, and ensure deadlines are met. From task creation to goal setting and time tracking, ClickUp helps teams stay organized and on track. Integrating Shopify and ClickUp allows you to connect these two platforms, streamlining your workflow and improving communication across teams. For example, when a customer places an order on your Shopify store, the task can automatically be created in ClickUp to notify your fulfillment team, manage inventory levels, or trigger an automated workflow. Benefits of integrating Shopify with ClickUp. Integrating Shopify with ClickUp offers several distinct advantages for e-commerce businesses. Streamlined workflow. Automation of key processes such as order processing, inventory management, and customer service can significantly reduce manual work, freeing up time for more strategic activities. Enhanced collaboration. By connecting your e-commerce platform with a project management tool, communication between different departments such as marketing, customer service, and fulfillment becomes more seamless and organized. Improved task management. Each order can generate a task in ClickUp, allowing teams to track progress and assign responsibilities efficiently. This ensures that all parts of the order fulfillment process are executed on time. Increased visibility. Real-time updates between Shopify and ClickUp allow everyone in the team to see the status of an order or task, ensuring that no steps are missed in the fulfillment process. Better reporting and analytics. With both platforms integrated, you can analyze sales, customer behavior, inventory, and team performance all in one place. This provides insights into your business's operational efficiency. How to integrate Shopify and ClickUp. There are several ways you can integrate Shopify and ClickUp. But the most efficient way is to use third-party integration tools such as Zapier or Integromat Nowmake. These tools allow you to create automated workflows between Shopify and ClickUp without needing to write code. Below is a step-by-step guide on how to use Zapier to integrate Shopify and ClickUp. Step 1. Sign up for Zapier. First, you need to sign up for a Zapier account. Zapier is a powerful tool that connects apps and automates workflows. It acts as a bridge between Shopify and ClickUp, enabling data to flow automatically between the two platforms. Visit zapier.com and create an account. Once you're logged in, you'll see a dashboard where you can start creating Zap's automated workflows between apps. Step 2. Connect Shopify to Zapier. Next, you need to connect your Shopify account to Zapier. In your Zapier dashboard, click Make a Zap. Choose Shopify as your trigger app. Connect your Shopify account by entering your Shopify store URL and following the prompts to authenticate your store. Select the trigger event. For example, you can choose New Order as the trigger to activate the workflow when a new customer places an order on your Shopify store. Step 3. Connect ClickUp to Zapier. Now, you need to connect your ClickUp account to Zapier. After setting up the Shopify trigger, select ClickUp as your action app. Connect your ClickUp account by providing your ClickUp workspace credentials and authenticating your account. Choose the action event. For example, you can choose Create Task to automatically generate a task in ClickUp whenever a new order is placed in Shopify. Step 4. Set up the action. You will now configure what information you want to be transferred from Shopify to ClickUp. In the Create Task section, you will map the fields from Shopify, for example, order details, customer information, and shipping status to the task fields in ClickUp. You can assign the task to a specific team member, for example, the fulfillment manager, and set a due date based on the order's expected delivery date. Step 5. Test and turn on the Zap. Before finishing the setup, Zapier allows you to test the workflow. Once you confirm that everything works as expected, turn on the Zap to activate the integration. Now, whenever a new order is placed on your Shopify store, Zapier will automatically create a task in ClickUp with the relevant details, and your team can begin working on fulfilling the order. 4. Best practices for using Shopify and ClickUp integration. To ensure the maximum efficiency of the Shopify ClickUp integration, here are some best practices you should follow. Automate repetitive tasks. Use automation in both Shopify and ClickUp to reduce manual input. For example, automate the creation of tasks for every new order in Shopify and set up automation rules in ClickUp to assign tasks to team members based on their role. Create custom dashboards. In ClickUp, create custom dashboards to track key metrics such as order status, inventory levels, and fulfillment progress. This will give your team an at-a-glance overview of how things are moving. Set up notifications. Make use of ClickUp's notification system to alert team members when a new task order is created. This ensures that no order is left unattended and is processed promptly. Use time tracking for fulfillment. Utilize ClickUp's built-in time tracking to measure the time taken to process each order. This can help you analyze your team's efficiency and identify bottlenecks in your workflow. Collaborate effectively. Ensure that all team members have access to the relevant tasks and order information in ClickUp. Using ClickUp's comment section and document sharing features allows teams to collaborate and communicate seamlessly within the task. Monitor sales trends. Leverage ClickUp's reporting features to analyze sales trends from Shopify data. This can give you insights into which products are performing well and help you adjust your inventory and marketing strategies accordingly. Conclusion: integrating Shopify and ClickUp is an excellent strategy to increase operational efficiency in your e-commerce business. By automating key workflows, improving communication across departments, and gaining better visibility into your business processes, you can reduce manual effort and focus on growing your business. By following the steps outlined above and adopting best practices for automation and collaboration, you can ensure that your business operations run smoothly, orders are fulfilled promptly, and your team remains productive. Using integration tools like Zapier makes the process simple, even for those with minimal technical experience. By integrating Shopify and ClickUp for maximum efficiency, you are setting up your business for scalable growth and operational excellence. This video should help you understand how to integrate Shopify with ClickUp effectively and leverage both platforms for greater efficiency. Thanks for watching.